Hello friends, today's topic, tomorrow markets up, how much up? Question mark. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Last night, US President Donald Trump made a shocking U-turn by announcing a 90-day pause from higher tariffs for over 75 countries. The US has lowered reciprocal tariff during this period to 10%, which will be effective immediately. However, the US has doubled its attack against China by announcing a 125 tariff on China. Currently, China's tariff on US goods stands at 84%. Why were tariffs put on hold? The last few days, the US president has been under a lot of pressure from investors and business leaders to reduce or remove tariffs. Trump said that over 75 countries have contacted the US authorities and such countries had not retaliated to the tariffs imposed by US. The US authorities would be speaking to officials from Vietnam, Japan, India and South Korea in the coming days. The US is encouraging countries to negotiate trade agreements and finalize mutually beneficial terms. Due to this U-turn by the US president, US markets rallied significantly. US markets posted their biggest one-day gains in many years, with the S&P 500 recording its largest rise since 2008. The S&P 500 index rallied by 9.5% yesterday and the Nasdaq jumped by 12.2% in its biggest one-day gain since January 2001. It was the second biggest gain in Nasdaq history. Similarly, Asian markets opened extremely positive due to the announcement of pause of US tariff. Hong Kong Hang Seng plus 2.20%, Japan Nikkei plus 8.36%, Germany DAX plus 5.56%, France CAC plus 5.53%, UK FTSE plus 4.42%, US Nasdaq yesterday 12.16% and GIFT Nifty plus 3.16%. So it looks like the world has got a 90-day break from hearing increasing tariffs from US. However, since the US president is extremely unpredictable, anything is possible and global markets may continue to be volatile. Today, Indian markets are on a holiday due to Mahavir Jayanti. The markets will react to the good news tomorrow. Although US and global market rallied, it has still not fully recovered the market fall since the tariffs were first announced. Nifty 50 index was around 23,300 just before the tariff announcement by US last week. Currently, it has fallen to around 22,400. As of indications currently, Nifty may once again rally to around 23,300 tomorrow. Here is an announcement. Large number of people have been asking us some details about the mutual funds. That is why we are conducting a free 2-hour online workshop on mutual funds. To know more details about the above workshop, attend a 10 minutes online webinar on 13th April at 10:15 a.m. To register, send an email to successdigest@gmail.com with the subject Mutual Fund Webinar with your name and mobile number. Seats for the first 80 people only. Continuing the matter of the video, Goldman Sachs has withdrawn the recession forecast because of the pause in tariffs by US President Donald Trump. They are seeing a reduction in the probability of US recession. So there could be a possibility of a rally for a few days in global markets. Fortunately or unfortunately, Indian markets have plenty of general holidays, weekends in April. 10th April holiday Mahavir Jayanti, 11th April working, 12th April and 13th April holiday Saturday and Sunday, 14th April holiday Ambedkar Jayanti, 15th April to 17th April working, 18th April holiday Good Friday, 19th April and 20th April close because of Saturday and Sunday. So in the next 10 calendar days, there are hardly 4 working days. So Indian markets have less chances to react to the global news compared to other markets. Anyway, tomorrow is likely to be a significant positive day for Indian markets after many days. At the end of the video, here's a question. Usually, how does your portfolio react compared to Nifty 50 index? A. Rises and falls similar to Nifty. B. Rises more than Nifty, falls more than Nifty. C. Rises less than Nifty but falls more than Nifty. D. Rises more than Nifty but falls less than Nifty. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.